5-Year Pothole Patch is a plastic composite, cold mix repair product for vertical wall potholes in heavy traffic areas. Place cones or barricades before starting a repair. Dig out or saw cut the repair area to create a vertical wall. Sweep or blow off any loose dirt or dust. Apply a bucket grip before opening the bucket. Mixing instructions and safety card are in with the binder bottle, as well as protective gloves. Pour the liquid binding agent into a cone-shaped divot and begin mixing. Mix until consistent. Work the mixer at an angle to get at material in the corners of the bucket. Spread out the material to grade before troweling. Trowel 3/4 of an inch above grade, with more material in the center of the patch. For asphalt repairs, make several passes with a vibroplate compactor over the repair area, varying the direction. Make sure the compactor is clean and coated with PAM cooking spray. Complete concrete repairs by using a hand tamp. To clean your tools, use WD-40 and a rag. Under most circumstances, repair area can be opened to straight-through traffic immediately.